In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best drsquatch discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for drsquatch discount codes. Right here, go to this very first website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see, we have a list of different type of promo codes right here that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount right here, simply tap on this promotion, and this is the promo code right here. You can tap on the copy button in order to copy the promo code that you can apply on the next order to get 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 30% discount off, all you need to do is simply tap on copy code right here, and the promo code will show up. As you can see, you can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 30% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.